Hi, I'm Courtney Rogenkamp, and you're watching Rogenkamp Farms. Today is our drawing of the green goo. Courtney Rogenkamp, and you're watching Rogenkamp Farms. This is my lovely grandma. You can call her Grandma, or Grandma Betty. Well, I call her Grandma, so you can't call her that actually. So, sorry.
Where do you live?
Absarkee, Montana.
She's lived here for
almost 24 years.
Where'd you live before that?
Lived in Kansas.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah.
I did too.
Yeah, watched you grow up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you just loved it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Was I a handful?
Nope.
Did you hear that? I was a good kid. Today is our drawing of the green goo. Tidbit of info on the green goo here. We make it with calendula, comfrey, and plantain. Those are the herbs we use. It's a healing salve. And then we infuse it into an olive oil and mix it with beeswax. And scent it with lavender essential oils. You could put it on cuts, bug bites, stings, burns. We use it on our goats' teats when they have, you know, if their babies are nursing on them and they're being a little rough. It just heals them right up. It's pretty awesome stuff. My lovely helper is gonna help me pick a name out of the cup.
Okay.
Make it challenging.
I think I got 2.
Rachel, not Nagel. Heck yeah! Way to go, Rachel! You get a green goo. Hope you like it. Are you having fun visiting us?
Yes, I am. I always look forward to it.
Me too.
Yes.
You said that if you were ever going to move anywhere out of Absarkee, it would be Thompson Falls.
I like it around here. All the places I have seen, there's just something about that small town, but it's got a lot of stuff in it and it's beautiful around there.
Yes, it is. Plus, I'd love to have you just that much closer to me.
Sure.
Yeah.
You'd be over every day, wouldn't you?
Yeah, probably. Okay, I guess we're gonna do, another drawing here.
What's your cup?
Oh, it's Hugo. Little Hugo man. Hugo Martinelli is his name. He's an Italian boss. Italian hitman. You gonna pick another name?
Okay. There you go.
Samantha Stonehawker. Congratulations, Sam. Sam got a couple of our babies this year. Nugget and Bandit. 2 cute little babies. Sweet, sweet babies. It's pretty awesome. We're so happy that she has them because she loves them as much as we do. So, thanks, Sam. Our winners. We will be reaching out to you soon.
We had pigs, chickens, milk cows. They were Holsteins, the milk cows were. And then we had beef cattle too.
You had pigs?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? What kind of pigs?
They were white pigs. I don't know what breed they were called, but they were all white. My dad always called our pigs the mortgage payment
Yeah?
because every year when the little pigs were big enough to sell, which was usually in September or October, then when he got the money for them, he went right to the bank and paid a mortgage payment on the farm.
Oh, awesome.
We had between 10 and 15 sows. The sows we had would have anywhere from like 12 to 18 little pigs. We had one sow that ate her little pigs after she had them.
Oh no.
And that's not uncommon for pigs to do that.
That little piggy would go straight to the market.
Yeah, that would be one that went to market real quick.
Oh, okay.
The farmland, the big farm where we lived on was 360 acres
And where was this farm?
in Minnesota.
In Minnesota.
Yeah. And where I grew up at, the farm that we were on, my dad was born and raised on that farm.
Okay.
So, and his grandparents was the ones that homesteaded that.
That's awesome.
Yeah, 1896 when they came to America from Germany. Grandpa turned 10 years old the year that he had just turned 10 years old when they got to America.
Wow.
He was born in 1886, but yeah. So, and they came to Ellis Island there in New York.
Okay.
And I have a picture of the ship that they came over on and the history of it, the name of it, and all that stuff too.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it is.
Did you ever get to go to Germany? I can't remember.
No, I
No.
didn't. But I have not taken that off of my list, my bucket list. I have not taken that off.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
You should do that. That would be so cool. Thank you for doing the video with me. I really
You are
appreciate it.
very welcome. Glad to be able to do it.
Heck yeah. Well, I'll have this video for the rest of my life.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful for that. Thanks for tuning in to Rogan Camp Farms. Thank you. Bye.